Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with your new Google site for your Queens College Club. So the first thing you need to do is type in sites.google.com to your browser. And if you are not logged into your Queens College Google account, please log in and we'll prompt you to do so. Then you're going to click a button on the left that says Create. As you see, there is a list of sites here. All of the sites that you've created or shared with you will appear in this list. But now we're creating our first site and we want to hit the button that says Create. That will take us to this page. Now you can choose any template. You can start blank, but I advise starting off with the template and you can always change it later. This, gives you some idea of the structure you want. You can choose the base Queens College template, or you can browse the many available public sites. You really want to choose the site that is best showing what you are trying to accomplish, that best captures exactly the flavor of your club. But don't spend too much time thinking about it. Don't freak out about it. You can change it and modify it as you want. The most important thing is that you're getting your information out there in a professional and clean way. But once you choose the site template you want, let's say this one, you just have to name your site. So let's say in this case, the Queens College Demo Club. Now we'll fill in the blanks with the URL that you just typed in, but you obviously want it to be as short as possible so it's as easy to type, and so it will check to make sure that it is an acceptable website. It will stop you if it is not. Once you've decided what you want, you can click Create. That takes us here. Now this is the basic site that you're going to see. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure it's shared with the correct people. Now the default is that anyone on Queens College can find and edit it. You want to change this immediately. You do not want anyone who is on the Queens College network to be able to find and edit your site. So you click Change and then you click Specific People and then Save. Now once your site is finished and you want to make sure that everyone can find and access the site but not edit it, you again click Change, and then you can click Public on the web, which means that no people can Google search it. Anyone with a link, which means people can't search it, but if they have the link, they don't need to sign in, and etc., etc. We of course probably want to make it public on the web because we want as many people to be able to find it as possible. Anyone with a link and anyone within Queens College, we probably still want to make it can view. We do not want everyone in Queens College to be able to edit it. So please make sure that it is set on can view and then click Save. Once you've done that, the first thing you're probably going to want to do is start adding your content. Now, editing these pages are extremely easy. You just hit the little pencil box up here. You can just have plain text. And you can, of course, spruce it up as much as you'd like, make it bigger, bold it, change the color, etc. Something important that you need to know to be able to insert is you can insert a lot of things. Now, I'm not going to recommend that you insert things like pictures directly. You insert things like pictures directly, it's going to take a very long time to load. Please upload your pictures to Google Plus and then embed the album in your site. This will make it extremely easier to load. It will look better, etc. I'm going to highly recommend you do not insert actual host content as much on this site because it will take a very long time to load, and part of what you're trying to display is an aesthetic portfolio of sorts. So you have a lot of options of things that you can put in there. If you want to put a map, how to find you, a group discussion board, a Google Plus album, anything from Drive, although you have to make sure that the respective Drive file is shared with the public, otherwise it will just appear as a blank box. A calendar, etc. More tutorials on all of these things will be coming in the next few weeks, so please recognize that you won't have to do this alone. Once it's set to how you want, you click Save. To add a new page, it's an extremely simple process. You just click New Page. You name your page anything you want, like, I don't know, and then you select what exactly kind of page you want it to be. It can be a web page, which is just anything, a blog, which in this case is called announcements, a file cabinet, which is files that you've inserted, a list, a start page, etc. There's a lot of different things that you can do. You can put it on the top level where it will appear, or you can put it as a sub-page. It's up to you. Or you can choose a different location where you can put it under any of the existing pages. Once you've done that, you click Create, and it appears as a normal page. And you can, of course, edit it however you choose. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at qportfolio.qc.cuny.edu, and I look forward to seeing your sites.